After winning the school's first ever boys water polo CIF championship, Carpinteria advanced to the CIF State SoCal Regional Tournament. The Warriors are the top seed in Division III. They hosted Eagle Rock at a packed house at the Carp Community Pool. Plenty of goals to cheer about for the home side. Mateo Handel scores on the penalty shot, and then moments later, Justin Main passes to him, and Handel scores. Carp up 7-1. 3 of Handel's 4 goals came in the second period. Asher Smith then scored 3 straight goals in that second period as Carp extended the lead to 10-1. Smith had a game-high 5 goals. Carpinteria wins 18-9. They're going to host a regional semifinal on Thursday.